Welcome back, everybody. Claire Saldaña of Style Done Easy usually brings us fun fashions from local boutiques. Today it is something different. It's really cool. Upcycled looks from a designer who uses boots for inspiration, called Mixed Fashion by Jada Taylor. Y'all, good morning.
Good morning.
This is so cool. Jada, tell me a little bit about the inspiration behind your brand.
So my brand's called Mixed. We're a little bit street, country, colorful. I like taking like a Western element and doing something unexpected while being zero waste.
Okay, well, I can see that just from your shirt.
Yes.
You've got a little cowgirl print going on,
Yes.
but also it's still street fashion. So how do you marry those two ideas in a way that looks cool when it struts down the runway or the, sidewalk?
I don't know, it's like whatever calls to me, whatever strikes. I'm like, how do we make this something different, something interesting, maybe adding bling or like some stitching or like lots of color. I love doing something like unexpected that way.
Okay, and we're gonna see some looks with color today. I'm gonna have you two come a little closer to me and we're going to bring out our first model, Abigail. And Abigail looks like she is ready to go to a Western concert. I'm obsessed with this. So the boot look is the corset up top.
Yes, it's here, and then it's a tie back, which is one of our popular styles because you can wear it many ways. But this is like our classic honky tonk mixed cowgirl. She's got her chaps made by me and the boot top.
So you see that it is actually a boot that has been turned into a top, and that's what I love about Jada's stuff, because while I love fashion, it can be so wasteful. Like, do you know how many shoes end up in the landfills?
Every single year? I would have no idea.
It's like 90% of shoes.
What?
Which, when I Googled that, I was shocked because I thought there's no way. And Jada's doing something so amazing by taking things like that and turning them into fashion, upcycling them, and giving them new life. It's really gorgeous.
That is really gorgeous. Super cool. And the chaps are just so fun. Jada, can you just touch on those for a second for me?
I started this idea in 2019 because I'm like, how do I make chaps like just be a little more fun and flashy? And so I make them with like a flare leg, so when you're doing your little two-step, which I'm not that good at, but it's like, wow, who is that girl? And that's
but the
what
sequins are picking up the light.
Yes.
It looks like a lot of fun. Okay, Abigail, thank you so much. Looks amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and bring out Rhiannon. She's showing off another look, but done in a totally different way, so she could be going somewhere totally different.
Yeah, so she could be, going out for the night. Maybe she's having a little engagement party or something she's going to. But this just shows how you can layer it different ways. Like, you don't have to do like the crop style. You can wear a dress, button downs, basically anything you want.
I like the idea of layering up because while I love this style, it is a little bit more body conscious.
Yes, it is.
Yes, this with a white collared shirt and some jeans would be so gorgeous. And imagine a whole bachelorette party with a bunch of these.
Oh, that would be so fun.
That'd be so fun.
And boot styles of all different colors.
Yes.
Really fun stuff. And then again, this is a tie back. So what I'm picking up on here, Jada, is that there is an availability for multiple sizes.
Yes, multiple sizes is our universal fit. We also do carry a lot of plus sizes. So people are like, I can't fit into this. And I say, I'll prove you wrong. I usually do. But I've had so many prototypes and different styles. It really is for everyone, and that's something that Mixed is about.
Yeah, with the tip the cowboy hat. Okay, it looks amazing, Rhiannon. Thank you so much. And then the newest little line to come out is this beautiful red. We're going to bring out Morgan, who is showing this little top the way it was intended. We don't have anything going on underneath it.
Yeah.
She looks like she could be going somewhere really fun.
This is our new collection, the Bayou Girl.
Bayou
She's a swamp kind of gator girl. We have new pictures out there, really cool. And then another popular style is I make upcycled jeans and I add some lace in the front to give you like some air, some cooling while being cute. But I just thought, I don't know, this is a perfect example of me. Just a little red with some blue. Doesn't make any sense, but it makes sense.
It makes sense when you see it all together. And the red style of the boot, how fun to use something so bright and colorful and upcycle that.
And this is like our full panel. So this is like a full pair of boots. So it's leather all the way around.
Okay.
So it's different from the tie back. It's a little more of our traditional.
But I like that there's stretchy, like smocked fabric in the back.
Yes.
Helps out a lot. And then talk to me about the way you upcycle jeans, because this is a really cool look.
I love upcycling. I love denim. Like I use a little scrap of denim.
Is that why you and Claire are friends?
Yeah.
Claire's so into denim. I knew it.
Like I did this to my shirt. Like I love like doing different jean stuff, but I I moved here and I was like, it's a little hot. So I'm like, let's make jorts different. So this cools you off. I have like so many different colors you can do. And yeah, I love them. I love my jorts.
And not only that, you're keeping the integrity of the length while still giving her a little bit of space to play with. So when we're doing these, like, it's a shorter top, it's a longer pair of pants, like, I think you, Claire, would have something to say on proportion.
Yes,
right?
I love the proportion of this. You know, like when jorts started coming back, I was like, oh no. Oh no. But then I started seeing pieces like this that Jada was doing, and it's so well proportioned that, you know, you don't feel like this is overwhelming this.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, thank you so much, Morgan. We appreciate it. And I'm going to scoot the pair of y'all back just if I can. We've got a lot of cool things that are happening for you, Jada, because you're zero waste, as you said.
Yes.
You even have the ability to come to someone, put together a party. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so you can now book us. We can come to your house. We can come to your business. We can do private shopping. We have the cutest pop-up setup ever. And then also we're launching a thing where you can build your own tie-back boot top. So you pick the boot, you pick its straps, and then I sew it for you right there.
Oh my gosh, so fun. And Claire, just reflect for me real quickly on how cool it is to find someone like Jada.
I mean, somebody like Jada walks into a production and you're like, dang, I need every single piece of this. And then when you see how curated it is and so thoughtful, I mean, you know, upcycling is such a thing, and seeing how beautifully it can be done. I mean, challenge yourself. There's still a little bit of summer left. Upcycle something.
Keeping stuff out of the landfill.
Yeah.
So cool, guys. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Claire is a commercial and personal stylist, y'all, and a closet organizer. Learn more about what she offers and see her portfolio at styledoneasy.com.